Hey, it's Randy at Mountain Air Farms, or Mountain Air Farms and Undercoating. You know, but we've got an actual Yankee truck in here today. It came from Ohio, and we're going to undercoat it. It's not as bad as what I thought it would be.
Okay.
Actually, I was figuring rust holes you put your fist through, but no, it's good.
Yeah, and this one's a Toyota.
Yep, Toyota, and Toyota's known for the frames, but this one, not bad at all. It's not got most of the Toyota frames have they stack the steel on top of each other,
Like
and
a
then
split frame.
they split. But this one hasn't got that frame on. It's 2016, but it's not bad at all. You can see over here a little bit of rust. It's like an E12.
Yeah.
We're trusting. But yeah,
So are you do you have the pockets that you could spray in the pockets?
yeah.
Okay. So
I'm
you,
gonna coat the outside first, then we're gonna go back and poke all the holes. But you can go to the other side and see where it's. I've done the outside.
like even like right there, yeah, you could.
That's where they rust at, like where the frames overlap like that. They get rust jacket in between there, but that wool wax will soak back in there and it won't let it do that.
Right. But you'll go back in after you do all the outside.
Well,
you'll
that's
go
an
back
open
in.
frame on the inside. So
Oh, okay. You'll be able to get up in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can
Some of the
see
cross
where some of it.
Don't have to spray up in there. But it wasn't as bad as what I thought.
No. You already got up. You've already got up around the hitch. Real good.
Yeah. I was watching a video up in, I think it was Michigan. Guy pulled in, he's going to have his truck, have it Toyota.
He's already done a lot of this on this
And I
side.
mean, there was holes all in the frame. I mean, the guy said that it's useless. You need a new frame.
I think it's because, Derek did spray it once.
Yeah.
Or twice. That saved it.
Yeah, he's already got this one line done.
But they're getting as bad in the south as they are up north now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll coat her off.
Get to it.
All right. If my stuff will warm up enough to spray. Looks like this thing was made for a snowplow.
It looks like it's going to scoop.
Looks like it's what?
I said it looks like it's got a scoop, like it's going to push snow.
No, I mean the bar up front.
Oh.
Looks like it was made for.
I was talking about here.
Came from a factory to hook a snowplow up. And I can get up underneath that from the backside and spray the bottom part of that.
Okay.
Get close. Just a leaf.
Gotta get right in here.
I can get that right there from here, and then on the inside I can get the other part. Just about out.
Change it. Changing a bottle again. Where's your other bottle?
Over there.
Oh,
Here, hold that right there.
brought to you by Woolbacks and Mountain Air Farms.
I'm sitting over there in the sun.
Yeah, this stuff is very thick.
Gotta warm up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to invest in a heat blanket for them.
Yeah, especially when it starts getting cooler. I mean, you can video that after I get done.
Okay.
Yeah, where that frame overlapping, I'm just soaking it really good so it can soak down in there good. I see some of them guys taping up the exhaust. I would say it'd be a good idea, but it'd be a pain. I always take brake cleaner and clean the exhaust after I get done.
Right.
It'll just burn off.
What's
Right in there is where it. See where them two pieces of metal sandwiched together?
yeah.
That's where the rust jacking occurs.
Well, it's good that it's an open channel.
Yeah, well, it's hard when you stack metal on top of metal. You can see right there. See how it's rusting in between there?
Right.
I'm sure they put something in there to seal it up, but
Now, well, and like here is real. Can
Well,
you hit those?
they put brake lines on it that won't rust. And then the fittings that the brake lines go into rust.
Yeah.
So,
But you could hit those.
yeah, I can hit those. Yeah, and it's not going to hurt a thing.
All right.
Yeah, that's,
Well, let me get out of the way before you try
they put brake lines on it that ain't going to rust. But the fittings they put on it rust.
And you should be wearing your mask.
Probably. They say it's not harmful. I've not grown a third eye yet.
Well, it's lanolin. You got up underneath here? Now we actually was expecting it to be a little bit more rusty than what it was. But they have been maintaining it. They keep it maintained. Now what about up in here?
Yeah, you can get up in there. I'm just out of fluid. You hear my ear?
I'm sorry.
Give me an ear exam.
So change your bottle out again. Bottle number 3.
Yep.
And where I was telling him was right up under here. I wanted to hit that really good. So it had a plug, what, right here?
Yeah. On each side.
Okay.
Wish my ones, it's not warm enough for the ones to work. But if I put enough of this back in there, I get what's coming out the end of there.
Got in that channel real good.
Yep.
So it would go that way.
And then both sides.
Yeah. And then you'll put the little
Cap back in.
side.
If you do that, then all I gotta do is wop the exhaust down.
Oh.
Take a shower.
From like the design.
Wop me down.
Yeah. Cool, cool.
But it cleans up easy.
And it's gonna have to dry for.
Oh, it takes days for it to dry, but it ain't gonna hurt it to dry it right now. I wouldn't want to put it down there and then drive it in heavy rain,
Right.
but
Well, she'll be leaving tomorrow to go back to Ohio.
oh, it'll be fine.
So she'll be fine to drive back to Ohio.
Oh, it'll be fine.
We're talking about dry time. It'll take forever. Well, it takes a long time for it to actually dry.
It'll be dry by the time I get home.
Yeah. Well, actually, it may take even longer. Just
Oh
don't.
yeah,
Right.
it stays wet because it's a oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you just don't go to a car wash that washes the undercarriage. And you don't want to do that for a good week or more. And you're just hitting last minute things.
Think we covered everything.
she'll be good to go. Silly rooster. Okay. All right, so now you're done.
You can't set and film.
Yeah, I'm going to set and film. Sorry. I've already
I'm
walked
done. I'm just
around.
cleaning the exhaust off so it don't stink.
Right. Yeah, that way it's not smelling.
Hi.
Hi.
That's my truck.
Yes, and she actually is from Ohio, Akron, Ohio. So.
Yep, I am.
You want to give out your address, Kathy?
No. Everybody needs to see him, not me.
Yeah.
You can start doing that when you get home.
Yeah.
I know.
So it's not like we'll do a lot of vehicles from out of state like Ohio
Oh,
coming
we'll do
into
another
Tennessee.
one.
We
Yeah.
had several.
We'll do my husband's.
Yeah.
Well, we had that one guy call from
Kentucky.
like 4 hours away. He said, that may be a little bit far. I said, yeah, that may be a little bit far.
But actually, I did help him. He, where we like using wool wax, I actually went on wool wax and found a distributor that was about 50 miles from him versus 250 miles, and actually helped him get in with him. So even though we couldn't help him and he wasn't coming to us, we still believe in the product. And so you still try to help him with the product. Now, right now, Randy's just cleaning the exhaust. That way you don't have that funky smell. And you're just using what, brake cleaner?
No, I'm just using gas.
Gas? Okay. But, yeah, she'll be leaving tomorrow, and probably next month we'll have her husband's truck down here. Within the next month, maybe in September, possibly. And we'll be working on his.
His is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, a little bit bigger. But, yeah, just another good undercoating. And he'll be protected for another year. So, well, if you have any questions or comments, let us know. We love hearing from you. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love you. God loves you. Y'all have a great day.